friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Magic Science. In this video we are discussing about some amazing fact on the Indian scientists. So let us discuss on the great Indian physicist or the industrialist and the founder of ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization. So friends, if you not subscribe my channel, then please subscribe it and also hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. So without wasting time, let's start the video. We discuss the biodata of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai was born on 12 August 1919 in the city of Ahmedabad, Gujarat state. In Western India, the Sarabhai family was an important and rich Jain businessman family. His father Ambalal Sarabhai was an influential industrialist and owned many mills in Gujarat. Vikram Sarabhai was one of the 8 children of Ambalal and Sarla Devi. Sarabhai matriculated from the Gujarat College in Ahmedabad after passing the intermediate science examination. After that, he moved to England and joined the St. John College, University of Cambridge. He received the tripos in natural sciences from Cambridge in 1940. With the escalation of the Second World War, Sarabhai returned to India and joined the Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore and began research in the cosmic ray under the guidance of Sir C.V. Raman, a Nobel Prize winner. The return to Cambridge after the war in 1945 and was awarded to the PhD degree in 1947 for his thesis titled Cosmic Ray Investigation to Tropical Latitudes. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai died on the 30 December 1971 at Kovapalam, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So let's discuss the award given to Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. Award number 1, Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award 1962. Award number 2, Padma Bhushan 1966. Award number 3, Padma Bhishbhushan Vibhushan after death 1972. Position held by Vikram Sarabhai, President of the Physics Section, Indian Science Congress 1962. President of General Conference of the IAEA Vienna 1970. Vice President 4th UN Conference on the Peaceful Use of Atomic Energy. Honors given to Vikram Sarabhai. The Vikram Sarabhai Space Center VSSC, a research institution specializing in solid and liquid propellants for rocket located in Thiruvananthapuram, Trivandrum, capital of Kerala state, in his memory. In 1974, the International Astronomical Union and Sydney decided that the moon crater BESSEL in the Sea of Serenity will be known as the Dr. Sarabhai crater. The achievements of the Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. Dr. Sarabhai was considered as the father of Indian space program. He was great institution builder of established or helped to establish a large number of institutions. In device field, he was instrumental in establishing the Physical Research Laboratory PRL in the Ahmedabad after returning from Cambridge to an independent Indian in 1947. He persuaded charitable, trusted, controlled by his family and friends to Indo Research Institution near home Ahmedabad. Thus, Vikram Sarabhai founded the Physical Research Laboratory PRL in the Ahmedabad on the November 11, 1947. He was only 28 at the time. At that time, Sarabhai was a creator and cultivator the institution, and PRL was the first step in the direction. Vikram Sarabhai served in the PRL from 1966 to 1971. He was also chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission. He, along with the other Ahmedabad-based industrialists, played a major role in the creation of the इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ मैग्नेटमेंट अहमदाबाद। फ्रेंड्स, आपको कैसी लगी ये वीडियो प्लीज मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में बताएं। और फ्रेंड्स, आप मुझे ये भी बताएं कि मैं अगली वीडियो कौन से साइंटिस्ट पे बनाऊं। और फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। थैंक यू।